Yeah, they quite often come up here like training. Or is it okay? As in you're ready to be ready?
It's ready.
Yeah, you recording? Alright guys, welcome to another video today. I got Josh's car. I finally got it up in the forest. We're going to get it dirty and it's going to be like a bit of a review. Josh is going to explain to you what he's done, what he wants to get done to it. And yeah, we're just going to have a blast around the forest and make some noise. So if you do like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and also check out Josh on Instagram, powered by 𝘼𝙎𝙬. Give him a follow to see more of this car. So yeah, let's get into it. So Josh, are you going to tell us about your car then?
Do you want to know?
Well, what is it?
It's an ST.
ST? Looks like a spaceship. So what is it, a wrap or is it a paint? What is it?
A lot of people think it's a paint, but it's a wrap.
Oh.
Don't know why I had to
What colour is it though?
It's Rising Sun.
Rising Sun. What's your power? What we running, what?
No comment.
No comment. What should it be running?
No idea.
You don't know. 400?
Yeah.
200? 80?
Well, different dynos tell me different things.
So, alright, okay. So, it's an ST. Why don't you fucking... Oh shit, my mic's come off, fuck! Why don't you explain what have you done to it then? Did you buy it standard or?
So I bought it as a rebuild.
Yeah.
Just being fully rebuilt. Had loads of turbo issues. Constantly cleaning it. Had loads of turbo issues, and in the end, BD sorted it out for me.
Oh yeah.
It's on a stage 3 Pro Alloy intercooler, even though it's sprayed AirTech.
AirTech.
RS injectors.
Yep.
Hybrid turbo. Turbo Smart actuator. WRC bumper. Did you do a video of when I ripped it off last time?
Yeah, but I didn't actually record you ripping it off. We just recorded you trying to repair it.
So, what was it? I just had it wrapped, hadn't I?
Yeah.
Just had it wrapped.
Not long, yeah.
Went through a puddle, ripped off front bumper and rear bumper.
And why did you rip it off, Josh? What were you trying to do?
Went through a puddle, didn't I?
You trying to soak me, weren't you, when I was taking photos? It didn't look anything like this though, did you, when you bought it?
No. It was orange. Pretty standard.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've seen it when it was...
No, I didn't see it when it was standard.
But yeah, going through a puddle, that's what led to the WRC bumper.
Yeah, which I told you to get anyway.
And yeah.
Someone's coming.
Tow truck for me. And then, yeah, because I was going track look, but then since you persuaded me to get the WRC bumper, I've now gone for the rally look. Yeah,
WRC look, which I think, I know a lot of STs and that go for this look, but I think personally on the pre-facelift I think it just suits it really well. Like the whole look of the car now is really aggressive, and even with the colour, I think everything, the only thing that I would change on your car is I'd have black wheels. Bar that, and a black sun strip.
Yeah.
But bar that, I think it looks aggressive, and we went for a drive in it before and everyone's staring.
Well, a lot of people have commented about the wheels, and the only reason I haven't changed the wheels is I'm getting the Bowler B12s, which are the rally spec wheels, and coming into winter, that's why I've left the standards on.
We were having a chat a minute ago, and you're having some issues, aren't you, at the moment?
Yeah, I'm getting a, what would you say it is? A misfire?
Well, you can call it a misfire. Well, if anyone has heard this car in person, you'll probably know why you're getting engine check engine lights.
No, got no lights on.
You had a light. But yeah, you've got a plan for it, haven't you? So you ideally you're going to do what I've done, haven't you, and go fully forged.
Yeah, I have been speaking to a couple of people.
So that's the plan, innit? Go fully forged.
I've got someone to go down. I've got to go and see someone on Saturday.
Yeah.
To discuss prices with them.
Yeah.
As my plan is to get it to at least 700 brake. But the overall goal is 1,000 brake with the 4-wheel drive conversion.
Yeah. So it's going to be a mad car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, it already is a mad car, but what you're going to turn it into is going to be something even more mad.
Yeah.
Because if anyone has seen this car in person or seen videos of it, you know how it sounds. So that's why I thought we'll come up to the forest where I normally do my other videos, and we're going to have a bit of a blast and make some noise up here.
Yeah.
And see if we can annoy anyone that's up here.
Gonna get the vinyls, aren't I? The rally vinyls.
Yeah.
So if people could let Mikey know in the comments if I have King Asbo
King.
down the side.
Yeah. But yeah, so I think we should go make some noise in it then. And blow it up. Okay, sweet. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, comment and all that stuff, leave it a like. Also check out Josh on Instagram, powered by Greta, if you want to keep up with the build and all that fun stuff. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this quick little video and we'll see you in the next one. See you later. Bye. See ya. Bye. There's another van coming out, we're going to get told off now. This is the one that'll tell us off. You fucking going too fast and too loud. There you go. Alright, fuck off. Let's go. Give it a call.